My name is Zuli Jaramillo Presas. My role model will be my mother. Her name is Victoria Sanmartin. She lives high play with her 4 children and 18 he died. Her achievements have her becoming a widow. She continuing with her life for children, supporting them to finish high school. After that, she went to work as a street vendor in the city of Nueva Loja. She plans died to build her house in search for a better future at her old age. One of her daughters is currently pursuing a university degree, and her other 2 children have married. She lives with her daughter Rudy. Her experiences have helped me to love enormous my family, to work out honestly in one binds. Thank you, teacher, for allowing us to create this time.